Most people think making money online is about finding the right platform, but the real problem is that they start in the wrong order. Almost nobody realizes this until they've already wasted months chasing ideas that never worked. This is Zero to Wealth, and on this channel I break down money, behavior, and long-term wealth in a simple, realistic way. No hype. No shortcuts. Just what actually works over time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by online income ideas, freelancing, dropshipping, YouTube, crypto, AI, this video will help you understand how to think about making money online before you try to do it. Let's be honest. When most people search how to make money online, they're not looking for a business. They're looking for relief. Relief from bills. Relief from financial stress. Relief from the feeling that they're working hard but not getting ahead. Maybe that's you. You scroll YouTube late at night. You watch someone say they made $10,000 in a month doing something you've never heard of. They show screenshots. They talk fast. They promise it's simple. And for a moment, it feels possible. Then you try it. You sign up for a platform. You watch a few tutorials. You maybe make a little money, or none at all. And eventually you stop. Not because you're lazy. Not because you're incapable. But because no one explained the structure behind online income. Most people think online money works like a lottery ticket. One idea, one break, one viral moment. In reality, it works much more like a ladder. And if you try to jump to the top rung without stepping on the lower ones, you fall. That's where most people get stuck. Let's slow this down and look at the data. According to multiple labor and freelance studies in the US, over 60 million Americans earn some form of income online. That includes freelancing, content creation, consulting, selling digital products, and remote work. But here's the part that rarely gets mentioned. The median online income, meaning the middle, is relatively small at first. Most people don't start by replacing their full-time income. They start by making $100 to $500 a month. That doesn't sound impressive, but it's extremely important. Because income online follows a power law distribution. A small percentage make a lot. Most people make a little. And over time, some of the little earners move up. Now here's the key insight. People who succeed online don't start by asking, "How do I make the most money?" They start by asking, "What problem can I solve consistently?" Let's compare two people. Person A wants to make money online. They jump from idea to idea. Dropshipping this month. Crypto the next. AI tools after that. Person B wants to build a skill that people already pay for. They start small. They learn. They improve. After 1 year, Person A has experience trying many things. Person B has experience doing one thing. Guess who earns more? Almost always Person B. Because online income rewards leverage, not novelty. And leverage comes from skills, systems, or audiences, not trends. For a lot of people, the turning point comes quietly. It's not a viral moment. It's not a sudden breakthrough. It's the realization that, I don't need a perfect idea. I need a repeatable process. That realization changes everything. Instead of chasing income, you start building earning capacity. Instead of asking, "What's hot right now?" you ask, "What can I get slightly better at every week?" This is where online money becomes boring, and that's a good thing. Because boring is sustainable. Now let's break this down into practical, beginner-friendly steps. Not theories. Not motivation. Actual steps. Step 1. Separate money now from money later. Online income falls into two categories. Money now. Freelancing. Remote services. Consulting. Task-based work. Money later. Blogging. Digital products. SaaS. Investing platforms. Most people fail because they only focus on money later. If you need income, start with money now. Build stability first. Then build leverage. Step 2. Choose a skill people already pay for. You don't need a unique idea. You need a market-validated skill. Examples: writing, editing, design, video editing, social media management, customer support, data analysis, web development, automation. Notice something? None of these are glamorous. That's why they work. You don't need to be the best. You need to be reliable. Step 3. Start where demand already exists. Instead of building a website or brand immediately, start where buyers already are. Platforms like freelance marketplaces, job boards, remote work platforms, direct outreach. This reduces friction. Your goal isn't to scale yet. Your goal is to learn what people will pay for. Step 4. Price for learning, not perfection. Early on, your price is not your worth. It's your tuition. Charge enough to be taken seriously. Low enough to get experience. The real value is feedback. What do clients ask for? What do they complain about? What do they praise? That data is more valuable than money at the start. Step 5. Turn skills into systems. Once you've done the same task 20 to 30 times, patterns appear. You realize, what can be automated? What can be templated? What can be delegated? This is where income grows without burning you out. Systems beat hustle. Step 6. Add leverage slowly. Only after stability comes leverage. This could be content that teaches what you already do. A digital product based on real experience. A small audience built around clarity, not hype. Leverage amplifies what already works. It doesn't fix what doesn't. Step 7. Reinvest before you upgrade your lifestyle. This step matters more than most people realize. Early online income feels exciting, and the temptation is to spend it. But the people who win long-term reinvest. Education. Delegation. Delayed gratification is the real advantage. Here's the part most people miss. Online income doesn't fail because it's hard. It fails because people expect it to move fast. Most people overestimate what they can make in 3 months and underestimate what they can build in 3 years. The internet rewards patience quietly. If you focus on skills, consistency, and systems, momentum compounds, even when it feels slow. And one day, you look back and realize it worked not because you found a secret, but because you stayed. If you want more calm, realistic breakdowns about money, skills, and long-term thinking, you can subscribe if you'd like. No pressure. Thanks for watching.